So I'm staying at the Hotel El Trebol this week in Costa Teguise. I'm in a one-bedroom apartment and it's located on the top floor. I'll just show you around and see what you think. Even though it's all inclusive, it has a small kitchenette area with quite a few appliances in it. We'll have a look. We'll see what it's like. As you can see, clean in here. No sign of any mould. Looks quite new actually. Small kettle. Got a bit of large scale at bottom. Let's have a look inside this. The first trial I've never heard that one before, so I'll look inside of here. You see, very clean. Don't think that's been used. Maybe it's brand new. Let's check these cupboards out. I've got a plate in that one. I've got some knives and forks in here. Some more cups. A couple of dishes. In here we've got some more plates. Some more glasses. See, all clean. Small sink. Small double ring hob. An extract if you want to cook anything. Under here, we've got a few bits and bobs. As you can see, it's still clean. And under here, it's got a dustbin. It looks a bit crusty on the right places, but it's alright. You have a table if you want to eat your breakfast off it, if you want to cook anything that is. I've got a frame one socket in this room, which is located down here. I think that couch can't see any. I presume this is a double pull-out bed, if you want to use it for that. A small table, another small table over here. There's definitely no sockets down here. Quite a big TV, a small chair over this area, and there's no sockets on this side of the room, but it is pretty clean everywhere. No signs of dust. Quite clean there. Yep. We'll go front to the balcony. It leads into the main bedroom. I'll have a look. As you can see, small patio table, 2 chairs. On that side there's like a clothes area, if you want to dry some clothes on it. Pretty big balcony. That's the view off the balcony, as you can see. Pool area. No sea view from here, too far away. Quite a large area. Just go into the bedroom. As you can see, 2 single beds. Over here, a little small table. Socket, light switch for the main light, and one for the side light. As you can still see, quite clean everywhere. I've got a small table over here, a mirror, and down here there is a small socket which I've found. It looks like it's not been used for a while. A couple of minor marks on the wall there. Same on this side, we've got a little table, same socket as on the other side, and switches. Bedside table. Wardrobe space, we've got a few shelves in this one. Get a free safe. You just come in, put your number in, close it. It's as easy as that. Free charge, pretty good actually. Most places charge. This side you can see, a couple of blankets up there. There's some spare pillows. Just a small hanging space for your clothes. Air conditioning central. Not too bad. Comes out that vent there. Not quite understood how it gets warm or cold. So I think down here, is it dirty down here? No, it's alright. one thing I will do is check this bed. Let's have a look. So, let's have a look what we got under here. So, clean blankets, quite clean sheets. Very, very clean. As you can see, we've got a mattress protector on there. I think this is called an encasement, I think. Not too sure. I'm not going to unzip that and have a look. As you can see, very clean. Can't complain about the cleanliness really. Moving to the bathroom. It's not too bad of a size really. So, shower, walk-in shower, toilet, clean again. I think they've been refurbished recently, these bathrooms. And the kitchens, you can see, small shower head. Look at that, there's a CV, it's quite powerful that. And it gets very hot. It's hot water, day and night, lots of it. On this side here, got an air dryer and a socket. That's some curve, I think these have all been refurbed. And a mirror. And just some small hooks on this side here. And that pretty much concludes the video really. But overall, why not? Oh, that's about 21. Thanks for watching.